Okay. So I was telling Annette before everyone got back on is that I had issues with my computer, so they had to wipe it clean. So
Uh,
I didn't have SPSS last night. I didn't get it. I had to reinstall it on my husband's computer.
mm-hmm.
So I didn't finish part two, and I'm sorry.
Don't you
I
worry.
did everything I could without the SPSS.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So did anyone have questions on part one? Definitions, I think.
I think I'm
Yeah.
okay. Only two questions on that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so part two, design the study. So do you want me to read all that or just go over the answers?
Let's go over it, I guess. If we have questions, we can go back and look at it.
So what is the research question?
So I put, is the assembly time different after the new procedure is implemented?
Yeah, that's what I put.
Okay.
Well, and does it say, let's see. Oh, it's different. Okay, I was thinking it said lessen, like less.
Yeah, that's what you'd assume they'd want.
Right. So I will. Okay. So state the null and alternative hypothesis.
So the null is just that the mean equals 0.
Right. And then the alternative is it doesn't equal 0.
It's not equal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Collecting the data. Describe the data collection procedure.
I just put the manager collected the data, timed them, indicating time for workers to complete 100 products, and then he implemented the new procedure and calculated the time after he had gotten the new system. So
Yeah, that's
basically,
why.
yeah.
Okay.
No,
And then,
I was just saying to Krista, are you guys kind of thrown with now having to write stuff out instead of, I mean, we have to figure stuff out, but
Yeah.
aren't you a little bit thrown?
I am a little bit. Like, am I wording this correctly? Am I going to miss it? Like, what am I doing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, it messes with me a little bit.
Well, and on the next one it says labeled graph to illustrate blah blah blah. You know, you just have to,
Right.
show what you're doing, but still. Okay. I'm not alone.
Okay, so describe the data, and this is where I stopped because I didn't have my computer.
Oh.
So, I'm trying to get up trying to find the SPSS, whatever it's called, the factory assembly time.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, so do you guys want to go over
Sorry, guys, it seems like my day to be interrupted.
It's okay.
That's okay.
Gives me a minute to find this here.
So while you're pulling it up, and then did you just do you've just been doing the histogram, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay. All right.
And on this one, I apparently didn't do this one, so
What are you doing?
I did everything else. That's kind of
Oh
weird.
yeah. Well, so I was just looking at it because I didn't draw my graphs out this time like I have in the past, and so
Uh-huh.
that's what I
Do you guys remember the website to go on to?
For what?
To find
The website.
Well, there's a website you can go
To get the thing.
assembly time.
Oh, you can just get it out of the textbook.
Oh, is in. Okay. Thank you. Sorry, I'm just.
No problem.
I don't have my computer and everything's like falling apart. Yeah. Okay. And I like to be completely ready for these meetings, but I'm sorry.
It's okay because I'm the same way. I want to have everything totally ready. And yesterday I ended up helping. You remember I told you last week my friend was in the hospital?
Oh yeah.
So I just went and sat with her yesterday, and so I didn't even get anything done till last night, and so I just finished it up this morning, like right before I.
Oh no.
So I'm feeling the same way, a little rushed and out of sorts.
How is she doing?
She's doing okay. They don't know what's going on with her. They're treating her now because they thought she had a heart attack, but now they're treating her like she has a lung virus. Like the girl can't breathe. Like she's 40.
Gosh.
How old is she? She's like 45-ish, and just she's been cute, little bubbly, active. and she can't walk 20 feet without needing to like take a rest. She's so she can't breathe, and yeah, so I mean she's in pretty tough shape. So
So did it just come on suddenly?
yeah, like she said that it woke her up. She honestly thought she had a heart attack. It woke her up in the middle of the night. Just that, like horrible chest pain in her back and her arm and everything, and so she thought it would, once it was over, she thought it would get better, and then it just got worse throughout the week, and then she just, yeah, she just
Who
can't.
is this, sorry?
It's my real good friend. So I just told him that I didn't get any of my homework done yesterday because I was just sitting with her. So
Oh, no. Is she doing any better? I didn't hear. Sorry.
no, so that's what I was saying. She can't breathe. They thought it was a heart attack at first, and now they're treating it like, while they're waiting for test results and stuff to come back, they're waiting. They're treating it like it's a lung virus. So I don't know. So she just can't breathe and is in a lot of pain. So
I don't know.
for her.
And if
So
you
she
got
had to-
young,
Yeah, and she's in school too, and so she actually had to withdraw from all of her classes yesterday, and that was really hard on her.
oh darn it.
So yeah, so it was a pretty tough day yesterday.
Oh.
Okay, girls, I don't know what's the matter with this. I checked it this morning and SPSS came up, but
Uh-huh.
it's not coming up for me.
It takes a while to start on my computer.
Yeah, and mine's acting funky now. It's being really slow.
Well, I'm trying to get this factory assembly time thing up. Oh. Okay. Oh, my word.
No.
Yeah, it's not doing anything.
Sorry, it's just sitting here spinning the little
Too.
circle.
It's all right because the thing only has like 5 questions, so I think we'll be okay.
Now it's a black screen. It's spinning there, Anna.
Oh my word.
Sorry, did I miss something? You guys already do 3?
No, Chris is having a hard time getting her thing
I
up.
can't even get this thing to work.
Good day for you to be interrupted.
Technical difficulty.
Okay, I think I pushed. I
I put all
pushed
my
it so
phones
many
here,
times.
I don't have to go in.
There's because I pushed it so many times. I
Oh,
think it's
like
over
4 of them
or
opening.
something. Yeah,
Be one of those days.
but it won't let me pick any of them because it's still thinking. So I had, what I found was the N was 100 and then the alpha was 0.05. That's as far as I got for that.
Okay, say that again.
And I didn't get that.
So for number 3,
I got N is 100
I'm sorry.
Okay, that makes sense.
products.
Yeah. Okay.
That wouldn't be 100. It would be 9.
Yes, it's 9. Because it's the people, not the
And
product.
then alpha is 0.05.
Mhm. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Come on, computer.
Yeah,
Right.
mine's not going anywhere. Oh,
Okay, did you already state the mean or the
No, because they were trying to get it up to figure.
standard deviation?
That's what they're trying to get SPSS up for. Because Krista wasn't able to get that done last night.
I'm sorry.
Don't apologize. We've all had our day.
I have one every time we get together, so it's okay.
Yeah. Do.
Oh, darn it.
Chris,
I don't know. Nothing. Just frozen. Ah, it's coming up.
yay!
Slowly, but it's coming.
Oh, this sun. Too bad. Okay, it's not working like it should. Is yours finally, Krista? Oh,
No,
good.
it just has the box that says IBM SPSS statistics that comes up right before that.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I'm getting. And it's still thinking.
I know Krista's getting on. Did you guys already do this ahead of time? Did everyone else complete it?
I did.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't.
You guys are always on it, so I've started doing it before we get together. Don't go.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to do this again. Because it puts out on me. All right. It says it's opening, but I don't believe it.
And I'm getting confused on which of the not formulas, but which of the, like if we do format or analyze,
I just
track status, explore. I just get confused on which one we do. Are you guys having the same deal?
yeah. Well, I just decided I just would do them all.
I was confused, but I was watching one of the videos
Mm-hmm.
or something
Mm-hmm.
that listed what we do, and so
Yeah.
I wrote it in order so I wouldn't forget.
Yeah. Well, and it's nice because I think when you do the compare one, it's the same thing as when you do the analyze. It gives you the same information,
Mm-hmm.
Right.
and then you don't have to use the 2 columns again, which is nice. But
Oh, there's.
Okay.
Uh-oh, is Krista still there?
yeah, she's still there.
Oh, okay.
Remind me real quick, is this number 3?
Yeah.
Was number 3 a paired sample or one sample?
No,
I can't remember.
it's just the sample.
This is the paired sample,
The
right?
parent sample. Yeah. Sorry, I'm sorry. I thought you said parent. Yes, paired.
No, I just was making sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There's no data.
Oh gosh.
So you got the file to open?
It's just an empty.
So maybe it's just taking a second
Like,
to.
it's no. This is ridiculous. Okay. Let me see if this is it. Oh my god!
Oh my gosh. What is going on?
Gosh, it's like finally.
Krista, you're cutting out really bad. I can't hear you very well.
Okay, sorry, I don't know what's going on. Just a second. I'm gonna close out all this stuff. is ridiculous.
Can everyone hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, good.
Sorry, this is ridiculous. So if you guys just want to go on, and I can come back to it later. I don't know what's going on.
So what did you guys put down there under your describe?
So got that negative 1.05556 or whatever. I guess it rounds.
Yeah.
Did you guys get that?
Yeah, the mean of the differences is
That's what's-
1.056.
Right. The standard was 2.595.
I got 9.6.
Yeah, I do too.
596. Yeah.
There's 8 degrees of freedom.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay.
Got that one.
And there's 9.
And then the
participants.
sample, yeah, 9. Okay.
Okay. Oh, and then the SIG, what do they call that? It's 2.00.
Okay, I think I finally figured it.
Okay.
We'll see.
Did you get it, Krista?
Yeah, it's coming up. Okay,
Okay.
it's up. So we need to find. Okay, just start. Sorry.
So you're just going to do the data,
Degrees of freedom.
the summary. You do like your summary statistics.
So do I put? Well, how do I do the difference?
So I did mine. I just went ahead and did the differences column right up front,
Okay.
and did the explore of that. I don't know, how did you do yours, Annabelle?
Like from the beginning to get it up? Like what did I do first? Is that what we're asking? Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
So I did the computing differences, which is that transform. That's what you guys did first?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So you go to transform and then compute the variable.
Okay.
And then once you're in that, you have to move over the post, whatever it is, post data or whatever that is.
Okay.
And then you have to do the minus sign and then the pre, move that over. And then you type in difference up in that left-hand box, that little, because you won't get the OK sign. You won't be able to go forward unless you type in difference.
So that's just labeling your column.
Right. And that kind of gets you started.
So the target variable.
And then, like Shari was saying, you can do the explore, but if you go to paired sample T, it kind of gives you the same.
Mm-hmm. Seeing that's
same
the way I
thing.
went.
So you can go to analyze and then compare means next, and then to the paired sample, and that should bring up your information that you need.
I did something wrong because it came up with a bunch of question marks.
Okay, so did you do? So walk us through what you just did.
I went to transform,
Mm-hmm.
variable,
Mm-hmm.
put in the target variable as difference.
Difference, yeah.
Okay, and then I have to move over the post first.
Yep.
And then subtract.
Minus,
Mm-hmm.
and then the pre-assembly.
And the pre, and then push OK.
Right.
I'm going to try it again. Okay.
And on that, you're just gonna get a lot of mumbo jumbo. It's not gonna give you anything.
You're just gonna have a new. It's gonna give you a new column on the original page with the new data.
I'm looking and I'm
Yeah.
not getting that. So,
So on your original file, you just have the two columns still.
yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try it again.
Okay, I did mine backwards from what you guys did. I did the pre-assembly minus the post-assembly.
That's what I did.
Oh,
Did it
sorry.
work?
I just went off the.
I don't know if
when I
that
was doing
matters,
the video.
because-
I was going off what they.
Yeah,
He
I
said
don't
it
get
can
mad.
matter, as long as you're consistent with it.
I think in some it matters because it specifies it in some, but this one it didn't specify, so.
Okay, I got it this time.
Okay.
All right.
Sorry, it came up.
No
Oh.
worries. Okay, so now you can do your analyze.
Okay,
Compare
sorry.
meetings.
Ridiculous. Okay. And then it's just slow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so for the mean, did you get negative 1.0556?
So mine and Annette's was probably positive because we did the opposite direction, but
Right.
it's the same
It's
answer.
1.0556. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the standard deviation, 2.59572.
Mm-hmm.
596, yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. And then you did a graph, right?
Uh-huh.
Alright. I'm sorry.
It's okay. When it asks for summary statistics, it also wants your N, so just note that there's 9
Yeah.
participants as well.
Yeah, I have that one on there. I just,
Okay. Oh, that's right. You told us that. Oh, there we go.
yeah, it's okay. Okay. Yay. Okay. Sorry. All right. I think I'm on the ball now. I'll try to be. Okay. What type of hypothesis test is appropriate?
The two-tailed
Well,
Mm-hmm.
match
Right.
pair.
Yep.
Okay. What are the requirements for this test?
It has to be
Be a
normally
simple
distributed.
random sample
Mm-hmm.
and distributed normally. Approximately.
sorry, that thing just kind of, and it's probably a simple answer, but how do we know that's the answer?
How
I'm
do we
just
know what-
curious. I guess
This is the requirements for pretty
the
much all of that.
requirements.
Oh,
Okay.
he said it in there in one of the videos.
It's in the, yeah, and it's in the
I can look
book
at-
too.
I can look up the answer key. He did a QQ plot.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever the format or whatever the math guy.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in the text as well. If you look at that, it tells you the requirements for.
I'm just seeing if I wrote it down somewhere. I'm just like. Okay.
Okay. Did you find it?
Mm-mm.
No. Checking requirements. It's in the video under individual prep, lesson 12, part 2. At the very end of the video, he goes over the requirements, and he says
It's under the it's under the tutorial, like the which guy?
If you go to part 2.
Go to individual prep, and there's 3 videos.
Okay. So the 12 part 2. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll go look at that later. I just wanted to know where I can find it.
Oh no, it's good.
Okay.
He puts it, tells you to do a QQ plot, and then it shows that it's normal because it all follows the line or whatever.
Right.
Okay. Compute the
Except
difference.
that's when.
Oh,
It's also in the supplementary video.
okay.
Supplementary video.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So compute the differences between the two times and determine if the requirements are met for this task.
Okay, so I have a question on this one. So you guys do your thing,
Okay.
and then when you get your answer, I have a question.
Okay.
I think I question marked this one too.
Mm-hmm.
Requirements are met. Okay, so then you would have to go in and do the QQ plot.
Mm-hmm.
And it is not normal. Is that what you got?
Okay. I thought it was. It's not like great, but I figured it was kind of along the line.
I just see that it's up and down instead of slanted.
So let me pull up let me see if I can pull up my QQ plot again and look at it again, because I figured it was loose enough, but still followed that line. But I'm wrong. I'm wrong. So that's what I wanted to see what you guys thought. So.
Oh, I'm gonna look up the answer.
Well, but remember, Brother Ball said on what one that he brought up, one QQ plot, it was about like this, and
Yeah.
we're going to call it normal.
Yeah, he said it was close enough, right?
Really off. Then I
Yeah.
think. So I put normal because
Okay.
in the program it's normal.
Oh,
So
and
did
I
I.
see it as up and down instead of slanted, like where it says negative, that 2,
Mhm.
and then there's 2 there, and then you go over, and then there's 3, 4 there instead of slant. Like,
But it still kind of follows that line though, for the most part.
I don't know. And then this is where they tell you to guess, and so you guess
Right.
wrong, and then well, the answer's not normal.
I know. That's why I knew I
Okay,
was
so-
wrong, but I wanted to see what you guys thought too.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I don't even know if I can. Dang it.
Do screen share.
Yeah. Probably not going to work. I don't want to do anything because I'm going to get out of here and it's not going to work. Okay, maybe I'll just show you with my camera. You guys tell me if this is what yours looks like.
A Reese's Pieces?
Tell me if you cannot see it.
Sorry.
Can you see anything?
I saw some chocolate.
Talk in
Oh,
it, or
here we
Annabelle
go.
when you're doing it.
That's what yours looks like, right?
Yeah, that's what mine looks
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, wait, mine's a little bit different. Hold still.
Are you looking
Yeah.
at your difference? That's the thing. You must be looking at your QQ difference, QQ plot.
That's what that looks like to me, and so it looks like it's up and down, and then go over a little bit. Up,
It's kind of,
Okay, maybe
Yeah.
I'm looking at the wrong one. Hold on.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
looking at, and it just looks.
this one, if you were to trace it, it does kind of go out. It does seem a little abnormal compared to the others.
Hold on. I'm
In
trying
my
to see if
opinion.
maybe I'm looking at the wrong one. Oh, I was looking at the wrong one. Okay. Yeah.
So I
All
don't know.
right.
Is that what you guys have?
So yeah. So the answer's no. It's not.
I guess I was able to switch this around. Interesting. Oh, there I am. Okay. I was like turning my camera. How do I do this?
Okay.
Does that make more sense now that you see it?
Yeah.
Because if you look at the other ones, they look more normal to me.
Yeah. Yeah. That last one the one that I was looking at first was, had a few samples like that too, but it definitely followed closer than this one did.
Mm-hmm.
So.
But this one, because, is it right because the sample size was
Small.
smaller, that we
That's
had
why
to do
we
the QQ plot?
Yeah.
But if it was like over 30, would we have had to do the QQ plot?
No, because then we could assume that it was normal, or approximately normal.
Okay, so they want us to compute the test statistic.
Mhm.
And for the life of me, I cannot remember how to do that.
That's the T-score. So then
Okay,
you,
I just totally,
This,
I just can't think of anything.
so if you do the paired samples T-test already, it's already in there for you. You've
So
already-
one sample T-test?
No, the paired sample T-test.
Oh dear.
the
Oh,
one
there
that
it
you
is.
should already have.
Should have already done it.
Oh,
So
I
you
did.
should already have the information there. You just have to write it down.
Okay, difference. What's the variable? Oh dear.
It's a T.
Well, I'm in there for paired variables. I haven't done that yet. So I go to change for variable 1.
What?
I'm in the, okay, let me go back. Okay, so I go in to analyze.
No. You've already done
No,
it.
I go into, no, that's not what I do.
You just have to look at what you've already done.
It's already on.
Oh, it's already on there. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
What is my problem? I'm so sorry. Like,
No, it's okay. It's okay. You could do it again, and it would just if it helped you go
I
through it
didn't
again.
do it. I don't think I've done it because I don't have it.
Okay, so go to so if you haven't done it, then go to analyze.
I'm sorry. My brain is
Don't-
so not working.
It's okay. Don't apologize.
Okay.
Okay, so go to analyze,
Okay.
and then compare means
Okay.
down to the paired samples T-test.
Now what do I put in?
So you're going to put in the pre-assembly first,
Okay.
and then the post-assembly second,
Okay.
and then hit OK.
Okay. Oh my goodness, girl. Thank you. Okay.
So now it's going to pop up a box, and it's going to have your mean, standard deviation, blah, blah, and then off to the right of that.
Woohoo!
You're so excited.
Well, Oliver just hasn't sleeping good. He's got a fever or something, and he was up all night, and I was not thinking straight. Okay.
That's hard.
So then T would be 1.220.
Yes.
Oh, good. I'm
Sorry.
No problem.
I seriously never get phone calls during this time, and today I've gotten 4.
Sucks to be popular.
I guess so.
okay. So the degrees of freedom is 8,
Yeah.
and then the p-value. What'd you get?
That's the
Wait,
0.257. 0.257. It's the sigma there at the end, the two-tailed. And because our study is two-tailed, we just leave it alone.
257. That's right.
Right. Yes, Shari helped me understand that the other day.
So we are not rejecting.
Right.
Fail to reject.
Mm-hmm.
Yahoo!
Present your conclusions in English.
Okay, so I said there's insufficient evidence that the mean time it takes to assemble 100 products with the new procedure is any different than it was before.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's basically what I said too.
Okay, so rather than testing a hypothesis, now say you just wanted to estimate the mean difference between the wait times at the 95% level, what would you do? So don't you find just the confidence level? It's just sitting right there.
Mm-hmm.
And it's already done, right?
It's already there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So 0.93969 negative
Right.
and 3.05080.
Yeah.
Okay. Figuring this out. In a short paragraph, what?
Right.
Didn't we just do?
We probably should find different procedures if he wants to make it shorter, but
And that wouldn't change what he's got right now because it's not going to make a difference.
okay. Oh my goodness. I know what I'm going to be doing the rest of the day. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
this stuff.
Did we finish that last one? Sorry, that's kind of.
Yeah, it was just a try a new procedure.
Okay. Do we need to have anything up for our test?
I would keep SPSS open.
I'm just getting it up. Okay.
Although it doesn't look like it's going to have us use it though.
How many questions do we have here?
Looks like 7. Sorry, I just
18.
18. Mm-hmm.
Oh, dude.
Yikes.
Sorry.
We got this.
All right, I gotta get a piece of paper out here.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Right. Suppose we have a set of paired data and let D equals X after minus X. The null hypothesis is mu equals 0, and then it doesn't equal 0. The population standard deviation sigma is not known. Jordan collects a sample of 9 and computes D bar as 2.2 and ST as 3.3. What is the value of this test?
Okay, so this is a
manual. Yeah. Where is it?
This is where we have to write it out by hand, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I've got mine.
Hold on a second. What is the value of the test statistics? Is that where we have to work it out?
So you're gonna find the t-score.
The T. Okay, that's what I thought. Hold on a second. Hold on, ladies. I'm a little slow today.
No, I am too. I'm good. Get this all together.
I'm the one who's slow.
Divided by 9.
Okay.
Is it 2?
That's what I got.
Okay.
How'd you do, Annette?
Yep, that's what I got too.
Probability of being greater than 2 is 0.0403. Use the alternative hypothesis to determine the p-value for this test.
I have no idea what that means.
I
Probability
have no idea.
greater than 2.
Greater than 2.
Oh.
So then less than 2.
So we can, because this is, can we use the,
Applet?
it wants to know what it is to shade to the right.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
So would it be 1 minus?
Or is it the applet?
I don't know. I'm scared to use the applet because it says that we can't use it with a t-score.
I'm going to use the applet, and then we'll do it your way and see if we come up with the same thing.
0.0403.
Come on, computer.
I don't have it on there. Darn it.
Okay.
Probability of being greater than 2.
It is .0403.
Hold on, ladies.
Okay, what did you come up with, Shari?
1 minus 0.0403. 0.9597? That can't be right.
I got 0.4840. No,
Okay,
it is right
right.
because it's a point. I mean, you're not subtracting very much there.
Okay, the probability of being greater
Greater is that much.
is for 0403. So that's our point, right? No, that's the area. That's the area.
That's the area greater than 2.
Oh, come on.
I don't understand this question.
I don't understand.
I don't
Should
either.
we,
I don't even know
should we
what.
come back to it?
Well, because we have to get the p-value. How do we get a p-value from?
Okay, let me go back to my notes.
Yeah, let's.
Do you want
Why don't we skip it
that?
and come back?
Come back? Okay.
Unless it determines the next one.
Okay. Well, you have to go for number 5. It's different. So you're going to Chapter 12, Data A, to answer questions 5 through 10, and then make a column of differences and estimate that.
Okay.
Hi, Sunny. I'm still on my class. Hey, Oliver, what you doing? You're doing good? No, you can't. No, I don't want you to leave.
Oh.
Chapter 12A. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, we can go back?
We might be overthinking here.
Like we never do that. We never do that.
Okay, so I'm wondering if it's just asking us to, okay, if it's giving us the probability that it's greater than 2.0. Okay, I figured it out. Okay, so if it's greater than 2.0, then we need to double it because our alternative, it's a two-tail, not a single tail.
You are super smart.
Oh, that was a divine
You're going to have to
inspiration right there.
explain that one to me, Shari.
Okay, because he's giving us the probability of it being greater than 2.0.
Of the one
Right.
1.5.
So that's one side, but we're doing a difference. And so we need both tails, not just the right tail.
So we're doubling it.
So we're doubling it. That was tricky.
They're in the pantry in the little Tupperware.
So it'd be point 0.081.
0.081.
Mm-hmm. Does that seem right, ladies?
Yes, it does. Now
Okay.
Yeah.
That was really tricky.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's see. Now we're in the
Okay. This one.
0.10.
Okay, so now I gotta catch up to you guys.
Well, you just have to go
Well,
in to the Chapter 12 Data A, and then you have to go in and do that subtracting.
Chapter 12 data. Is that a file?
It's a file, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let me get there too.
Was it one I was supposed to download from before I opened the quiz?
No, Okay, I just got all question marks again. What am I doing wrong?
I'm not finding it.
Oh, I got it. It's in the data files or whatever. It's called Chapter 12, Data A1.
Oh, I'm not getting it either.
Okay, mine came up. It just took a minute. So it says.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. Where did you find it?
I just went
It's
into the whatever. What's it called? The things you
data
downloaded already.
statistics.
Yeah, it's not in there.
I don't have it either.
Maybe it's new and just got added.
Okay, hold on.
Well, go
Go
back.
to-
Yeah, just go back into
Yeah,
the
that one.
text.
Go to
box.
statistics.byuimath.com,
Okay.
and then it comes up.
Chapter 12, data A.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Maybe they just added that after.
Maybe.
Yeah, because that's a little. Okay, hold on. I still got to get it.
It's okay. Use. I'm just reading over the problem. The null hypothesis. Zero.
I don't know.
And then
Getting
it's
this
not
started
zero,
now.
so it's two-tailed. Alpha. Okay.
Are you getting it, Krista, yet?
I got the differences up. Now I'm going into compute stuff.
Okay, you tell me if you get the same thing as me, because I'm not quite sure.
Okay, tell me one more time what website to go to. Oh, hold on. Okay, tell me one more time.
Statistics.byuimath.com. It's coming up, Annabelle. Sorry.
That's okay. I'm still writing down.
I think I did it.
Oh, really?
It's greater than. So, dang it.
And we're moving.
Fail to reject. Fail to reject.
I'm gonna be
So did you get number 5 yet?
No, I can't.
Yeah.
You still haven't got it up yet, Annette?
No.
Do you have it, Shari?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
what
just
did you
not
get?
it.
That's okay. I got 31.025.
Did you get negative 30?
No, I did. Mine's positive.
Just won't come
So
up.
I have negative 31.025.
So it's just that we just subtracted differently. So I did the first one, subtract the second one, and you must have done it the other way.
Right. Does it matter if we're putting negative or positive when we're writing the answer, though? That's what I'm...
Where they haven't
trying to see.
specified what they're doing here yet, it shouldn't matter. But I don't know that it will or not.
Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, I don't know how we know if that really matters or not. Because, okay, so for this, for the standard deviation, did you get 341.157?
Mm-hmm.
And then the test statistic, did you get negative 0.408, 407?
I just got positive.
And then 19 for the, I don't know, I'm not even looking at the, I just wrote
No,
everything
it's
down.
19 is the degrees of difference, yeah. And the
Yeah.
p-value is going to be different, though. P-value,
0.689.
because we're
So
doing
I'm
two
trying to
cells.
see how we know how to know if we have to put the negative or not.
I think if it specifies what order to do it in, then it matters. I think if it, but I think in this case, I would not put it in, just because
Okay.
I think unless you can remember something specific that he mentioned that you should subtract the first one from the second one. The only one I remember that on was the one that was about the weight loss, because they wanted to see a negative number, but it was specified in the problem that that's what they wanted to see. And so I think, I don't know. For me, I think it would be, most people would just pick the first one for the first one and the second one for the second one. And so I think it would be more common that they would get a positive answer if it's not specified. But that could be neat. I don't know. What do you guys think, Krista and Annette?
I see
Well,
what
I
you
think
mean
I finally have
on
the
this one
final.
because
Maybe. Okay, go. Sorry.
I see what you mean, Jari. I understand. So yeah, let's just do the positive. So for number 5, we're going to put 31.025. Right?
Yes, that's what I put.
Number 6, we're going to put 341.157.
This is going to be me cheating off you because I still am not in there.
You can pull it up.
So the test statistic is 0.407. The p-value is 0.689. And then you fail to reject?
I would fail to reject because that's way over 0.1.
Right, it's over the 0.10. Okay.
Okay, you guys, so I finally got it. So am I going to do the,
Hold on, Krista got kicked out, just so you know.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to do the next one while we're waiting. So number 10 is still fail to reject, right, Shari?
Sorry, hold on a second. I'm not looking at it right now. Hold on.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. I was just texting Krista back, or Messenger. Okay, suppose your alternative hypothesis is that your mean is greater than 0. What is the correct decision?
So we're just taking the p-value and dividing it by 2 on that one.
Which would still be more than 0.1.
Yeah, because it's 0.3 something.
Mm-hmm.
So which means we're just failing to reject again, right?
Mm-hmm.
For some reason, I'm getting this time around. I'm getting this stuff better than I was the last exam.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Probably because we've done it once before.
But then he's going to overlap the last exam and this one.
Let's not talk about that right now. I can't do that yet.
I'm going to cry. No. Okay.
So Annette, have you gotten it to pull up yet?
I finally did, but now how am I getting...
Okay, so now you're going to do your third column, your transform.
Okay, I did that.
So you have your third column, so you can do your compare means, you can do either your paired samples test, which will give you your t-score and stuff, or you can do the explore and then the paired samples t-test.
Okay, there's the right one. Okay. Oops, that didn't go.
Is this a trick question on number 11? Isn't that a trick question?
Which is greater, n, or that's an easy question. That's a freebie.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It's in, right?
Yeah.
I'm like, it's not a trick question.
That's a nice one.
Okay, so D bar is 31.025.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Standard deviation, that one is... So then the next one is 341.157, right?
341.157.
Okay. Okay, T is 0.407. Okay, p-value is... Oh, darn, was this a... Okay, this is two-sided, huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so sig is 0.689. Okay, So we're going to fail to reject, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yay!
What is the correct decision? Okay, now walk me through this one. So I'm on 10. So suppose greater than 0.
So we just went from a two-tailed to a one-tailed.
Okay. So reject the null. Okay, so then we're going to, no, we're still going to, wait.
Yeah.
So we're still going to keep
So
it,
you
right?
would divide your p-value by 2 and then compare it against your alpha. Mm-hmm.
So it's points. Okay. Okay, so it's still greater than, so you're still going to fail to reject, right?
Right.
Okay. Okay, 11 to 18. Oh, okay, this, I just got to 11. Yeah, I get what you mean.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right.
Put up a new file now. You have to go back and download the B file now.
Oh, sweet. I'll be here for another 20 minutes.
Okay, so on 12, Annabelle,
Mm-hmm.
you get 0.001.
0, 1, yeah.
0.001.
And then reject. Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, you cut out. I didn't hear.
That's okay. Just want to make sure you had 2 zeros and not just 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then rejected the null hypothesis, right?
Yeah, we would. That one.
This time.
Okay, let's go in there again.
Did Krista ever make it back in?
I'm confused. Are we still recording?
Yeah. Oh,
I don't know.
I don't know.
Because she's the one that was recording, right?
Yeah.
Me.
Uh-oh. Well, at least get part of it, I guess.
Yeah. That's the worst part of this
I
whole
wonder if she gives the link.
thing.
Yeah, it's maybe, well.
I'm here in the room with you guys and hearing everything. Oh,
Oh, okay, good.
there I see your
She's
face.
just, thanks for answering. She's still recording. Okay, so let's see.
Okay, I don't know if I'm in the right phase.
No, we can't hear you,
No,
Kristen.
not at all.
Okay, what's the p value?
Yeah, that's weird. Now she's jumped. Now she's not in. This time here. So 14, you put decreased, right?
I put decreased, and then
And
15
15
I
was
put
reject?
reject again.
Okay.
And
I haven't got a 16. I'm just doing that now.
I'm.
So what did you, oh, what did you get for 12? Did you get 0.689 again?
For 12?
12?
No, I did not. Okay, so this is what I was saying. You have to go download the B file.
Uh-huh, yeah, I'm on B.
Okay, so then you did your differences again?
Uh-huh. I thought I did.
So now do your compare mean in your paired sample test.
I've got to analyze. Okay.
Bound. Lower bound is.
Okay, it's 0.257.
No,
Oh.
that's not what I got either.
I wonder if I've even got
Right,
the
make
wrong.
sure you're in the right file. It's chapter 12,
Yeah.
data B.
That's what. No, it did A1 again. Okay, it did A1 again. Let me
Okay,
get out
that
of
makes
it.
sense.
No, don't save it. File. new. File. Open.
Value. Okay, on 16, wouldn't the first one and the third one be the same? Because it would be the middle one divided by 2 either way, right?
Well,
No? Okay, let me think some more.
hold on. Let me think about this real quick.
Or maybe it's just maybe you do have to have it.
Because one of those representing the level of significance?
No, those are all going to be
Okay.
compared against the level of significance, and so
Okay, so if
ignoring any data, one would give us the smallest p-value. So if we have if our mean is greater than 0, it's I wonder if it's not enough information.
well,
Because if our let's say our p-values, above, it's the positive number, and it wants to know if it, the greater than, that's going to be a smaller number than if it wants to know the less than. If it's a negative number, it's going to be opposite that, right?
hold on, Krista, we got 0.001 for 12.
I finally got that too.
This is what's confusing to me. Is I think not enough information depends on the problem, but
Yeah.
we know that the
Because if we're not looking at any data, our p-value in general is going to be the first one and the third one are going to be the same number. It's going to be half of the second number.
So those would be obviously less than the second one, right?
Right. But where we
But
can't pick both of those, then it makes me think that it has to depend on because you can't make a general rule because it would depend on what they were.
On this, when we're writing this, so the mu, like less than 0, is 0 representing so what is 0 representing? The level of significance?
0, no, that's the status quo. So this is our mean. Okay, so let's think about this. So the mean is greater than 0, or the mean is less than 0.
Right. So let's just pick a number.
That's what I was doing. If I pick 0.5 as my
okay,
alternative.
So that's less than 0. But then it's
greater than 0, right? 0.5 would be greater than 0.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm thinking like less than 0. Okay. But then it would make sense that, well, maybe I'm just overthinking this.
Well,
wouldn't the one that said the less than 0 be the one that ends up being, because we end up dividing by 2, correct?
But you do that for the greater than too.
Oh.
Right, but I'm just wondering, I don't know. It just seems like we don't have enough information.
I think it depends on the problem, because it depends on what they're looking for. Because if they're looking for greater than and we have a negative number, it's going to be a huge amount. But if they're looking for less than and we have a negative number, it's going to be a smaller amount. So I think it has to depend on the problem.
Okay, I'm good with putting not enough information. Are you guys good with that?
Yeah, that's what Krista says too.
Did everyone finish up, or sorry, we didn't do the 17,
No,
18.
okay, so 17 and 18. So the introvert, let's see, so the confidence intervals. I've got too many windows open. Dang. Okay, so my
The first
confidence
one I got
interval- Sorry,
That's okay.
it's 95%.
I got the 5.303.
5.303, yep.
Okay, let me get there.
18.607.
607, yep.
So
Okay,
you got Krista?
okay, 5.303.
Your SPS
Uh-oh.
isn't working. Oh gosh. Okay. That sucks. Okay. Well, on the teeth or the paired sample test I got, it was 5.303 for the lower and 18.607 for the upper.
Me too.
That's what I got.
Okay.
Should we go through all of them real quick?
Yeah. Let's
Yeah.
do that. This has been kind of a jumbled
Who
day.
wants?
Yeah, it has.
Okay. You want me to read them? Would that be okay?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, so true, true. Number 3 is 2.
Mm-hmm.
Number 4 is 0.081.
Okay.
Number 5 is 31.025.
Okay.
Number 6 is 341.157.
Okay.
7 is 0.407.
Mm-hmm.
8 is 0.689.
Mm-hmm.
9 is fail to reject. 10 is fail to reject again.
Mm-hmm.
Number 11 is in. Number 12 is 0.001. 13 is reject the null. 14 is decrease. 15 is reject the null. 16 we put not enough information.
Wait a minute, I lost you there for a minute. What did you put? So 12 was 0.001.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. 13 is reject the null.
14 decrease.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
15 reject.
Reject again. Yep.
16 not enough.
Yeah.
Yes. And then 17 is 5.303.
Mm-hmm.
And 18 is 18.607.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I got.
Okay,
All right.
here we go.
Oh, we got it.
Yay!
We got it.
No.
Woohoo! Way to go, ladies.
Hallelujah. Whoa, that was a tough one.
Well, you helped us out on that one, Shari, the one we were like, oh,
I
woo.
swear to you, that was divine inspiration. That was crazy.
Okay.
All right,
Good.
thanks, ladies. That was good work.
Okay.
Yes.
Onward
Good
and
luck
upward.
on. Are we supposed to be, when is our first part of our group project done? Ready? Or
Week 8, so we got 2 weeks. So
So we
have
have
you
to
guys-
figure out something.
what we're gonna do?
Did we already have an idea? Was there an already idea thrown out?
No.
No, I was gonna look up some stuff. I'll Google some stuff today and I'll email it. Or
Yeah,
text it to you guys.
maybe we can just email and look at
Mhm.
some stuff. Okay. Okay, sounds good,
Sounds good.
ladies.
Thanks so much.
Bye.
Thanks,
Bye.
Krista. Hope you get your stuff working.
Bye.